If your toilet keeps running or won't stop filling, the problem is probably a faulty fill valve float arm messing with the water level. So, here's the deal. First, turn off the water supply to your toilet by twisting the valve near the wall. Then, flush the toilet to empty the tank so you can work without water getting in your way. Next, check if the float arm is bent or stuck, because that's usually why the water keeps rising or never stops. If it looks off, you'll want to replace the whole fill valve assembly. Luckily, it's not rocket science. Just unscrew the old fill valve from underneath the tank and pop the new one in place, making sure to connect the refill tube properly. After that, adjust the float arm so that the water shuts off at the right level, usually about 1 inch below the tank's overflow tube. Turn the water back on slowly and watch it fill up. If it stops at the right spot, you're good to go. If not, tweak the float arm a bit more until you get it right. One of the biggest issues with fixing a faulty fill valve float arm is not turning off the water supply first, which can cause a flood and make a huge mess. Just remember to close that valve before anything else. Another problem is not adjusting the float arm correctly, so the water either overflows or never fills enough. Fix this by carefully bending or setting the float arm to stop the water at the right height. Lastly, some folks forget to secure the refill tube properly, which can cause water to splash or keep running. Just clip it onto the overflow tube like it says in the instructions. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners connect with trustworthy local contractors for any home repair job. Plus, contractors can find new clients easily by listing their services and showing they are reliable pros.